All right, this is going to be a lesson on Tangled Up in Blue by Bob Dylan. So we're going to have an A chord, and we're going to kind of move that to an A suspended chord. So there's a couple ways to do that. You could kind of go, we don't want to hear the 2 on the bottom though, so if you can get that finger to get just the 2s, you can just put that 1 finger in there, 3rd fret, 2nd string. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. Now I'm going to do it like this. I move that pinky over there to that 3rd, and I can get that bottom open one too, and it sounds bigger. Or you could try to go and just get those top 2 2s and bring this finger in. It might be easier for some of you. You can still get that open E in the bottom. Either way you want to do it. Okay, so that's our intro. That's going to happen a bunch of times between the verses. A to A sus 4. So when the verse starts, we have A to G 3 times, and then D for longer. So the other 2 are like 2 beats worth, and the D goes for 4 beats. And then we're going to repeat that whole thing again. So let's say start of a verse again. 3, 4. And your strum there is like down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. So let's try that again. 3, 4. Then D. And let's try it slower. 3, 4. And D. And again the whole thing. And then D. Okay, now we have our new part. We have E, F sharp minor. You could just do the 2s on that if that's kind of hard to reach that one. And then we're going to have A to D, E, F sharp minor, A to D again, and then we have E, 2, 3, and 4. So that E goes longer there than those others. Those others were like 2 beats, like the first part. But then we're going to have Tangled Up in Blue. So we have a quick 1 strum each on G to D, and then we're back into like that intro. Okay, so let's look at that new part starting on E. E to F sharp minor, and then A to D. And you might go like down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. And after the 2nd time of that, we hit that E. 4 beats, and then we got the G to the D for that Tangled Up in Blue part. And then we're back to the kind of the intro. So there's 6 or 7 verses in this song. It's a pretty long song. It has like a harmonica solo at the end also that goes through all the changes. So let's just go through all the changes like another time, and that'll pretty much sum it up. So intro again. Now we got our A to G for the verse. Times back and forth, and then we got our D for a full measure, and then we repeat all of that verse stuff. D again, and then we have the E change. We'll do this nice and slow. 3, 4, E to the F sharp minor, A to the D, and again. go to E for a full measure. 3 and 4. Tangled up in blue. And here's one more trick. If you can get that 2-2-2 for the A that's not hearing the bottom string, if you bring this finger in and lift that away, then you can bring in that open on the bottom there without anything sounding really wrong. So it just always goes back to the same verse thing. Let's go to that next part. E to the F sharp minor, A to the D, those 4 again. Full bar of E, 2 and 3 and 4, tangled up in blue. And that's how it ends also. All right, Bob Dylan, Tangled Up in Blue. I can't wait to see the new movie. Looks pretty cool, and we'll check you out later.